Why are Dutch coastal beaches eroding? Imagine standing on a beautiful Dutch beach, feeling the wind and hearing the waves crash. Now think about how that shoreline might slowly change over time. That's what's happening along the Dutch coast. The beaches are gradually losing sand and shrinking, and many wonder why. The answer involves a mix of natural forces and human actions. Natural factors like wind, rain, and waves constantly shape the coastline. Strong storms can wash away large amounts of sand in just a few hours. Tides and currents also move sediment along the coast, sometimes away from the beaches. Over many years, these natural processes can cause significant erosion. But human activities play a big role too. For example, in the Netherlands, sand is often mined from the seabed for construction and land reclamation projects. Removing sand from the seabed means less material is available to replenish the beaches. This makes the shoreline more vulnerable to erosion. Rising sea levels are another major factor. Due to climate change, the sea is getting higher, which means water reaches further inland. This increases the energy of waves hitting the coast and makes it harder for natural sediment to stay in place. When the sea level rises, beaches can erode faster because the water is constantly pushing sand away. The Dutch relying heavily on dunes as natural barriers against the sea. Storm surges can damage or erode these dunes, which then lose their ability to protect inland areas. When dunes are weakened, the risk of flooding increases, especially during stormy weather. The government uses models to predict how dunes will react to storms, but these models need regular updates to stay accurate. Over centuries, parts of the Dutch coast have moved back several kilometers. The closure of inland seas like the Lauwersee has changed how sediment flows along the coast, affecting the natural balance. Without enough sediment coming in, beaches can disappear faster. To fight this, the Netherlands has created innovative solutions. One example is the Sand Motor Project. It involves depositing a huge amount of sand along the coast, which then naturally spreads out. This helps rebuild beaches and protects against storms. The project has shown promising results, lasting longer than expected and reducing the need for constant replenishment. In the end, protecting Dutch beaches is about balancing natural processes and human efforts. It's vital for preserving natural beauty, supporting tourism, and keeping communities safe. The Dutch approach offers lessons for other low-lying regions facing similar challenges.